First, unpack your bag and lay the pod inner tent on the ground. Connect together the short aluminium poles to form 8 long poles. Insert the long pole through the material pockets. Make sure you thread the spring clip end as shown, as this clicks into the central attachment. Also, push the poles. Do not pull, as poles may separate. Repeat this for all 8 poles. Locate the center point in the middle of the tent and connect the 8-fingered attachment. Push the 8 poles into the 8-fingered attachment, ensuring the spring-loaded clip connects into the slot located on the bottom of the attachment. Again, push poles into position. Do not pull them, as poles may separate. Clip all C-clip connections around the poles to secure the inner to the poles. Unzip a doorway and one person needs to enter the tent and stand up holding the 8-finger attachment from the inside. Bend the poles one by one and put the pin into the bottom of the pole. If this is too tight to do, then loosen the strap connection to make this easier. Once the pin has been put into the bottom of the pole, pull the strap as far as it will go to tighten. This is important as it helps to form the correct shape of the tent. Repeat on all of the poles. Peg down at all 8 pole connection points to secure your tent. With 2 people on opposite sides of the inner tent, pull the outer skin over the inner tent, ensuring windows, vent and doorways all line up as required. Loop the Velcro tabs on the inside of the outer skin around the poles to secure the outer to the poles. There is 3 per pole attachment and on all 8 poles. This is critical as it secures the outer skin in place, so please do not ignore this step. Secure the base of the outer skin to the base of the inner tent at the 8 pole points by connecting the clip as shown. Peg down using tent pegs at all peg down points located on the pole connections through the webbing loop and at the midpoint of all tent walls. This is vital in securing your tent in place. Unwind the pre-connected guy ropes and peg down inserting pegs at a 45-degree angle. Make sure all doors are closed for this process, or loosen tension if the zips don't seal easily. Insert the curved pole only into the front porch. When in place, then insert the 2 vertical poles. Place metal pins into the pole end to secure. Unwind the guide ropes and secure in place with tent pegs at a 45-degree angle. Insert the short pole horizontally in the porch wall using webbing inserts and Velcro tab to secure in place. This feature is designed for you to hang items from, however, do not load excessive weight on these poles. A small ground sheet is also provided for this porch area and simply needs to be pegged down in place with the tent pegs provided.